In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps, then go to the settings and open security. Here you will notice SIM card lock, smoothly open it, and now you can easily change your SIM PIN by tapping on change SIM PIN. So at first you need to enter the current one, the one that you currently have. In my case it's from 1 to 4, tap on OK, and then enter a new SIM, then it will be necessary to re-enter it. Right now tap on OK to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed, so that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.